How long's it been since he's been clipped?
I did his bridle path this spring. And that last fall. So a little bit here and there.
We thought we'd get this out right away, Diane, so that you would know. Obviously, you don't know us, so there's no chance of him being drugged or anything like that. I just talked to you about 15 minutes ago. Brought him up from the pasture. He's acting very gelding right now.
Want me to do his ear or something so you can see?
Yeah.
Do his face?
Well, do something you know he's not gonna like, so she can.
Okay.
All Dana's had to do so far was grab an ear, and this is on his bad side, or opposite side, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna kind of move around a little. He's really being good right now. Can you do maybe inside the ear?
I can't hear you.
Can you do in the ear?
I didn't. I just skimmed them because I didn't want bugs to get in them. I'm doing the outside of this ear right now. Doing really good.
Yeah, he is being really good.